Have anybody else have this urge to leave the city and just go out in nature? I deeply feel like nature is calling her people back. And what's up, my healed tribe? My name is Mama Love, and we are on our healing journey. But what people don't understand is nature is truly healing. Nature will have you purging all of the insecurities or anything that you have going on out of you. I know before I start working on this farm, before I even realized I was going through a spiritual awakening, I would go to this trail every single day. You could say I would live out there because I would just always be out there in nature, emerging with nature from sun up to sundown until I have to go back home until the pole lights cut on. And I would bring a book and I would just bring my water, my snack, and I would just emerge. I would ground. I would put my feet in the ground. I would just emerge. And when I tell you certain things that I was going through, nature took that energy and transmuted. And sometimes I have to have a reminder of this. And I had a consultation with one of my friends on my inner child healing, and she reminded me that I need to do some more grounding. She was saying I need to lay on the ground if I feel upset. And I'm like, wow, I know this. But sometimes you have to have people to remind you of the information that you know. And I'm thankful for her. If you see this video, I am thankful for you. But yes, Mama Nature is calling all her people back to get in the dirt, to do what we have to do, to take care of animals. She is calling us back. It is our time to come back into nature. Because if you think about it, if we go to war or if we go to a apocalypse, the first place that's going down is the cities. People that love the city life, ain't nothing wrong with the city life. Y'all better be preparing, because when shit hits the fan, y'all are the first people to get targeted. And I love y'all. If you like this video, subscribe and comment where y'all from. Peace.